Hey guys, it's Marla. Another gift day for the holidays. This is the gift of teas. This is my Sips by December box. It is a subscription box from Sips by of a variety of teas that are actually picked according to my tea tastes. The price of this subscription is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. But if you look at the Sips by website, they also have a variety of wonderful boxes you can give for so many different occasions, including the holidays. So in my December box, this is the card that comes in every box. If you flip it over, you can see everything that is in the box. It looks like I have some ginger peach white tea that is from the company called the Republic of Tea. That contains white tea, ginger, and natural peach flavor. That is my low caffeine tea. There's also the Maple Harvest tea from the company called Still. That is a oolong tea. It contains dried apples, cinnamon bark, cloves, cardamom, safflower petals, and natural maple and cream flavors. That does contain caffeine. There is a tea called, I believe it's called Ceylon. I think that's how you pronounce that. And that's from a company called Ahmad Teas. That is my high caffeine tea, and that is a black tea. And then finally, I have Meyer lemon tea, and that is from Stash Tea. And that contains rose hips, lemongrass, orange peel, hibiscus, citric acid, and Meyer lemon oil and safflower. That is my caffeine-free tea. So let's crack open the box, and I will show you what is inside. The first thing I see in my box is a little packet of Sips by reusable muslin cloth tea bags. I love that they include these in the boxes. Sometimes I don't have something to steep the tea in, and these are convenient to have around, especially obviously when you have some loose tea. And it looks like I do have a packet of loose tea in my box. This is the Maple Harvest tea from the company Still. The other thing I see in my box is the Meyer lemon tea from Stash Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Next, I see the Ceylon tea from Ahmad Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And then finally, my ginger peach white tea from the Republic of Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. As always, I'm going to pick a tea to steep on the channel, and I think I'm going to pick the Meyer lemon tea from Stash Tea. The reason I'm picking this is because I believe this is actually made with Meyer lemons, and I buy them all the time. If you're not familiar with Meyer lemons, they're actually a cross between a lemon and a mandarin orange. They are so cool tasting. You get a little burst of lemon flavor, but you don't have that tartness that you normally get when you bite into a lemon. It is delicious. It's good if you make this hot or cold, but I'm actually going to make it hot. And it looks like Milo is trying to, Milo loves the lemon flavor too. This is a caffeine-free tea. Let's get started. I hope you enjoyed seeing my December Sips by Tea subscription box. These make great gifts. You don't even have to buy a subscription for someone. You can buy, I believe, 1-month box or a 3-month box. So many different choices there, and it just makes a really nice gift to give to a tea lover in your life. Look down in my description box. I will put a link to the website. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.